This is a follow-up video on repairing the heater blend mix, the heater AC blend mix on a Nissan Titan, Nissan Armada, and QX56 Infiniti. I'm working on a QX56 Infiniti. These are all the tools you'll need just to get in there. I already took off the kick panel on the bottom of the dash, and I've already got the actuator off and loose. So this is the part that you need if you're missing the cog or the cog's stripped or broken. 27163-1LA2A. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little gear cog. And this part goes into the unit, or rather the AC blend unit, and the gears mesh with the gears up there, and then the actuator shaft goes in here, and then it spins it back and forth. Now there's for some reason there's a little stud on the gear, so excuse the noise from the trucks. There's a stud that I guess has to go right here, so I'm gonna have to get this lined up right. So I'm going to pause this video and, well, let me show you where we're going. Okay, back up in here. Okay, you see right there? That's the gear on the box. That hole right there, that's where we're going to stick this in. And I don't know if you can see that stud. You can't really see the stud. No, unfortunately. All right, I'm going to get it in there. I'm going to pause the video, get it in there, and then start the video again. Okay, well, the cog is in. The actuator's back on, and I got the knocking of death. The gear in the actual the blend door unit is kind of seized up, so I put some lithium grease on it and I put everything back together again, and I got it on 90 degrees right now. I'm going to see, and it's running. I'm going to see what happens when I change the temperature if we still have knocking. I'm going to turn it down to 60. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, I got to turn it down to 76. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Still coming out somewhat hot. Down at 60 degrees though. Hold on, bear with me a second here. Stuff is blowing around from the air. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go back to 90. Let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see the gears or not. Let's try this angle. No, it's very hard to. Okay, back to heat, and now okay. Last part of the video, I applied a liberal amount of lithium grease, and it loosened it up a lot. I guess there was some kind of grime or dust or stuff caught in the movement on the inside of the box, probably from drawing the air in from the outside. Now I got rid of the knock. So here, it's on 90 degrees right now. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it down to 60. There we go. And that's that. It's working now. $5 fix. Dealer would have been $1,100 to $1,500. Mike Machines out.